How to open a KuCoin account. Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to open a KuCoin account. A secure exchange with hundreds of coins and powerful trading features. To open an account and get attractive offers from KuCoin, visit coinaz.net/KuCoin. Or you can click on the link in the description of this video to open a KuCoin account. Let's get started. This is the interface after accessing KuCoin. To open an account, enter your email or phone number here. Click Create Account and claim reward. KuCoin has sent a verification code to your email. Please check your email. This is the email KuCoin sent me. If you don't see the email in your inbox, click More. And check your spam folder. Now, I'll open the KuCoin email. This is the verification code. Please copy it. Enter or paste the copied code here. Click Submit. Next, create a password for your account. Please note, the password must be 10 to 32 characters long, include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, and cannot contain any spaces. I will give you an example on the screen for your reference. After creating the password, click Confirm. Your account has been successfully created. To receive benefits and offers from KuCoin, you need to verify your account. Click Verify Now. Here you have individual verification and institutional verification. I'll choose individual verification. Please select your issuing country, region, and type of identification document. For type of identification document, you can choose passport, driver's license, or ID card. I'll choose ID card. Then click Verify Now. Enter your first name, last name, and ID number. For ID number, I will enter my citizen ID card number. Then, click Continue. Click Continue. You can click Continue to use the camera, or click Upload Document. I'll choose Upload Document. Click here to upload a photo of the front side of the document. Click here to upload a photo of the back side of the document. Click Continue. Next, you need to face verification. You can click Continue or Continue on phone. Click Continue. Click Allow to use the camera. Slowly move your head in a circle to complete face verification. Your information has been submitted. The review result will be sent to your email within 3 to 5 minutes. Next, I'll guide you on how to secure your account. Click Security. Here, there are several different authentication methods to choose from. I'll choose Google verification. Click Link. Click Send to receive the security verification code. A verification code has been sent to your email. Please go to your email, get the code, and enter it here. Next, you need to enter the Google Authenticator code. First, you need to download Google Authenticator to your phone. In the search bar, type Google Authenticator. This is the app you need to download. Click on this icon. Click Open. Click Get Started. Choose the Google account you want to link. Then click Continue. Click Add a code. You can scan a QR code or enter a setup key. I'll choose Scan a QR code. Click Allow to let Authenticator use your camera and start scanning the code. This is the Google Authenticator code. Now, go back to the KuCoin website on your computer. Enter the Google Authenticator code here. Click Activate. So, my Google security verification process has been successful. Goodbye, and see you all in the next videos.